This is a 125mm Makita electric random orbital sander. Its 240-watt motor makes it suitable for the part-time tradesmen, apprentices and home users. The unit is compact and lightweight, weighing just 1.2 kgs. The 2-meter cord length makes it easy and effective to use, especially in those tight locations or working at awkward angles. The on-off switch is placed in the front of the handle and the sanding pad has a brake to slow the pad down as you switch it off. The grip is rubberized and comfortable, so your hand won't be getting tired on those extended sanding jobs. The pad uses the hook and loop system to replace pads easily, and it has a built-in dust collection system which can be used with the bag or a vacuum. The dust bag nozzle can be removed to easily empty the dust from the bag. This particular unit has dust-sealed bearings to prevent damage and prolong its life. For a small compact sander, this really performs well with the tool doing the work instead of you. Now, I've found that nowadays, the way they've improved tools with technology, it really does feel that the tool is actually just an extension of your hand and your hand is just doing some easy DIY work. All the effort and design has gone into the tool to do the work, opposed to you putting in that hard elbow grease. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.